Hi guys, welcome back. Just wanted to show you a video of the few things that I've made this last week. I know you've seen this one before, the cluster bracelet with matching earrings. Just wanted to show you, there's a few other necklaces and two cluster bracelets also that I wanted to show you. So this is sort of part of the collection. Didn't take too long to make. The earrings again are 6mm beads and a closed jump ring and silver plated ear wires. The other thing is I could make a necklace to match this, which I may do later on. So I will now show you one of the cluster bracelets and see what you think. This is made with the beads that I got from Totally Beads. Basically, I was going to make the cluster bracelet with the cracked earth beads, but because they were 8mm, they were a bit too big. The chain I've used is a 2.5 to a 3mm, but I really need a 4mm to fit bigger beads on, because I normally attach 2 beads per link. In this case, it's sort of opposite, so it's one bead per link, but then as the chain sort of changes direction, I then add another one, so it's every link, but it's the other way, if you see what I mean. So it sort of clusters better that way. But this one is the grey and white marble beads, 6mm, and also the white opaline beads. So this is the one that I thought that I'd make instead of using those other beads, and I think it's come out quite nice. After showing you a few more items, I'm going to do a like a little, I don't know, like a video at the end of this one, just to show you sort of like a showcase so you can see them better. Right, the other one is a blue one. 1 second. This one is made with aqua blue 6mm beads, also the white opaline, and I've just added a grey Rondelle in there as well, which is actually works quite nicely. I love the blue, it's very striking, it's very summery, this bracelet, and I've already had somebody asking me to make them one, so my first order on this bracelet, which is brilliant. This one is actually my one, I made myself one as a treat, which is really nice, so I will be wearing that obviously when the weather gets a bit nicer and can wear summery clothes, then this one will be very nice. Also, I will now show you a necklace that I made with some of the beads that came from Totally Beads haul. I think I did a 1-part and a 2-part video of unboxing, and there was a few beads in there that I showed you, so I've made a couple of bits with those, which I'll show you now. This bracelet, necklace has been added to my collection. The beads on here are a lilac 6mm bead, and also I think there's a rondelle on there as well, which is sort of like a bluey pink colour. I think they change colour with light. And also the bead, the glass bead at the bottom, the blue bead, is 15mm bead, glass bead at the bottom. So just adding some seed beads in between each bead is added a lot more colour, and the lilac I think goes brilliantly with the blue. Also, the bigger beads on there are the pearl rondelles. I know somebody did ask me to see what I could make with those, but they are quite heavy, so I've just added a couple to this necklace just to see what they look like, and I think they are purple, so they work quite well with the lilac and the blue. I do like this one. It's a very short necklace, I think it's only 18 inches, so a lovely short one to wear in the summer. This one again, I've used the pearl rondelles. These are cream ones, also the orange rondelles as well. I've added a big bead at the bottom, which is I was trying to work out the colour, but I think it's like a pinky orange colour, maybe red, I'm not sure. Still debating to know what colour it is, so if anyone knows, then let me know. There's also some pink 6mm beads on there as well, and I've just literally just thrown them all on, and it's worked quite well. Frosted seed beads, they are 8/0s, maybe 9/0s, I think there's a mixture in there. But what I've done today as well is I've added, there's two pairs of earrings here. There's the long ones, which you can make using your loops. So as I said before, you know, you can make long earrings or short earrings. So two examples of what you can make with these beads and with the findings. It's quite interesting. So yeah, if I sound a bit out of breath today, it's because I had an accident at work today, so I'm in a bit of pain in my neck, so sort of a bit out of breath a little bit as well, so sorry about that. Hopefully in a few days I'll feel a bit better. So yeah, really nice colours these, again really nice for summer. So yeah, really nice. Thank you very much for watching. After this, in a moment, there will be a short sort of clip of I videoed the whole selection so that you can see a bit better. Thank you for watching. Bye.